Here I have Huawei P10, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the home screen and wallpaper section. Here you can select wallpapers. For example, you can select one of the from magazine unlock settings, like some kind of different themes which you will see every time you lock your phone, and there will be different images like wherever. You can select one of the themes which you have to download from the internet, I guess. You can select one of the preset wallpapers, or you can't. Oh, here you can see some of the pre-installed wallpapers, or you can just go to the gallery, select one of the images on your device and set it as a wallpaper. Then you tap here to confirm it. Then you select if you want to set it on lock screen, on home screen, or on both. And after that, wallpaper will change. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.